What's happening now? Okay, I don't touch the shower like this.
Relax.
You never pay money, you want to enjoy it. What's happening?
Take it easy, come on.
Ha!
I don't bite.
Why did they look back? You be ritualist.
Listen now, you talk too much.
Okay, talk with you want to talk.
Can I talk now?
Go ahead.
I was serious about what I said. I want to take you home.
Okay, I don't try to talk. See, if they pay me, I don't like to waste my grace anyhow. I don't feel they talk every day. Everybody when they here know me already. Now grace is run out for me, not by race.
Why?
You understand? Okay, I don't feel tell you before. No, they less my grace again. Why? I tell you, say if you get anything when you want talk out with my madam. My madam will give me instruction. I'll come to do next. Why you they wait for me when they repeat everything?
But you need to hear me out. You need to hear me out.
Okay,
I needed to talk to you in private so you can at least understand what I mean.
Okay.
Listen, I know, I mean, it's not appropriate for me to come here, but I had to come tell you what I want you to do for me.
Okay.
I want to take you home, and I want you to spend 1 month with me.
1 month?
Yeah, just 1 month.
When get hand and leg? You define you want to do ritual?
No, that's not. Listen.
Oga, see, I agree say I be a shower, but guess what? This my head is strong. You know, you no go work. You no fit use me do anything.
Can you relax?
No go work
Can
for
you relax?
Oga, should be 1 month now.
Just relax. Just
go meet my madam profile.
Listen, I know it's going to cost a lot of money, and I'm ready to pay. Okay? I just want you to come with me for 1 month. Just
this your face cap, no be like person and get money. Go talk to my madam. If anything you and my madam talk, she go tell me. She don't profile you finish. She go let you know how much. She can't let me know. Okay, for now, no, it disturb me again. And let me disturb me.
I'm ready to pay.
Okay, don't be the collect payment. Now be accountant.
That's okay, but I needed to talk to you about it first.
Okay, no be me get myself for. Yeah, they work for person. If you pay a shower, if you try to make it jump, you go. They ask you, say how you want make I take high, jump the jump.
Can you just reduce your voice?
Hi.
Just stop saying ashawo. Like people are listening to you. Come on.
But what's I be now, Oga?
It's okay.
Now the work when they do
you
now.
Want me to talk to your mother?
Oh, you the shame make people know you say they carry a shower.
Relax.
Hey, see this man, no.
Like there are neighbors around. Just chill.
Yeah. Now you call a shower dread. So you know say neighbors there around.
Yeah, because I like you.
They like a shower. Oga, they don't like a shower. I beg. Oga, na money matter with the top of you. I beg. If you want talk, go talk to my madam. She dey office. No, they disturb me. I get plenty work to do. And other customers. See now money. Now they talk. No be mouth. I don't feel tell you now. Abba. Because say grace the runner for me. No miss how they take nonsense from every person. No. Now grace the runner. No be race. So maybe respect yourself. Ha. Shall we want to white? 1 more. Ha.
Mom, I have no idea. Honestly, I have no idea. The last time I saw her was at the funeral. She left before everyone else. I haven't seen her again. All right. Hello? Nangi? Where are you? I thought we hold on. I did you forget what we talked about? You know what? Never mind. Don't worry. It's okay. Just do what you want. It's alright. Cool. So there's something that bothers me a lot. Something I don't understand. Which is, my mother wants me to marry Nengi. She wants me to propose to her. When she knows that Nengi is not the right person for me.
How? Nengi not the right person for you? Bro, You always tell me how much you love this girl, how much this girl loves you. So why are you confused now?
Nengi is a very, very selfish person. Do you know that Nengi left my father's funeral before anybody else? Nengi does not have empathy. She's not kind. She's been acting too busy. She doesn't call me to say, okay, how are you doing? How's everything? What's happening with you? Do you need anything? Can I help you in any way? She's been acting too busy for me. Is that how a relationship should be?
Well, in this case, I think I'll support your mom now. Yeah, tie her down with a ring. Bring her close to yourself. Make her know that, okay, you are ready to take the relationship to another level. With that, you don't need to be looking for her all the time. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
And what if she turns me down?
Then he tore you down. Why? For what reason? How can you say that, guy? Nengi turn you down. Nengi that I know loves you, bro. And you always say that to me. So why if she turn you down now? Why are you being negative in this case? Nigga, propose to this girl. Tie her down, bring her close to yourself, and this will be settled. I'm sure Nengi can't say no to you. You're very funny. See, turn you down, as in what?
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed yourself.
Yes, I did. I really did. You know what? Just count me as one of your top customers. But yes, because I really enjoyed your service. But Sandra, promise me one thing. Do not change. All right? Because I will be recommending you to my friends, my family, my loved ones. I mean, people around me so they can also come and patronize your business and also testify just the way I am testifying.
Thank you
Okay?
so much, sir. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, you are welcome. Sandra, you know what? I want you to do me this one favor. Okay. Listen. Please be a good girl to your wife. All right? Because he must be the luckiest man to have you on earth.
Yes, he is. He is.
All right.
Oh, babe.
And who is he?
That's my boyfriend.
Oh, this is the lucky man you were telling me about, right?
Yes.
Hello.
So, this is why you've not been picking my calls, right?
Babe.
Will you shut up? Say a word. Silly. Liar!
Babe,
What? How dare you lay your hand on the woman? Are you a stupid boy or what? Don't you ever try this again.
You are very stupid to meddle in this matter. Are you mad or something? How dare you?
No, baby.
Will you shut? Come on, get your hands off me. Are you crazy?
You don't do it again.
Listen. If you think you're a sperm, I'll so deal with you. Don't
Babe,
touch me.
please, I'm so sorry.
Meet me at home.
Babe,
See
I'm
me at
really
home.
sorry. It's not what you think.
I don't understand. Is this how you behave?
No, it's just a bad mood. I'm very sorry.
Bad mood? And he slapped you?
I'm so,
I don't get it. What kind of a man is he?
I'm so sorry, sir. Please, I really apologize.
You would have just allowed me to deal with him.
Sir, I'm really sorry. Honestly, I am so sorry. Please.
Hope you're not hot.
No, I'm not. I'm fine. Thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sorry, sir.
You having a woman beater as a boyfriend? I need to feel that guy.
Yeah.
Nengi, what are you talking about? What are you saying? I haven't seen you since my father's funeral. Where have you been? Okay, you're coming in 3 days' time, so I should wait for you. Alright, I'll wait for you. I hope you keep to your promise. That's okay, no problem. I'm home. I'll just wait for you to come. Alright, bye. Thank you.
Sir,
No fear, na me.
Sorry. When did you get in here?
You know hear the knock. Me and self, I don't tire to knock. I don't dey knock since you no gree answer me.
What is it?
As your second security officer, I say make I come check whether he dey fine.
What's the problem?
Food done. Come eat.
Okay, that's fine. Go. I'll come downstairs shortly.
You sure? Make her dey go.
I said leave.
Food done with you. They come. You go cold.
I said leave.
You go cold.
Are you possessed? I said get out of here.
Yes, I possess.
What have I gotten myself into? Something is not right. She's not normal.
Good evening, my comfort zone. Babe, I'm really sorry. It was unintentional. I had my phone on silent, and that was why I couldn't pick your calls. Babe, honestly, Babe, please, I'm so sorry. I promise it would not repeat itself again, please. I'm really sorry.
Get your hands off me. Can't you read signs? Want me to shout? Listen, if you know where you're coming from, get back to that place.
Babe, please, I'm really sorry, honestly. I had my phone. You can even check it if you want to. I'm so sorry, babe. Please, I am really, really sorry.
Okay.
Babe, I'm really sorry. Please, I had my phone on silence, babe.
Lost affection, lost affection, lost affection, lost affection. Why did you fade out? Why did you fade out? Was it something wrong?
What's the meaning of this?
Shut up. This will be nothing compared to what I'll do to you if you don't fix my dinner at 15. Are you mad? You're here sleeping. Very good. Get to the kitchen and fix me something to eat. Sell it.
Why did you fade out? Is there anything I did wrong? One more. Why do you allow this love to decay? I'm reaching out for you, baby, but you are gone. You leave me without saying goodbye.
Son, you mean Jerry, after embarrassing and beating you in front of your plants, does he have the guts to send you out of your room? I made you sleep in the sitting room on this couch.
Sorry. It did not even end there. See, when he saw me sleeping on the couch, instead of waking me up, he emptied a can of cold water on me.
Are you serious? And you're proud saying it? Girlfriend, you have to let that guy go. Let him go!
What do you expect me to do? Leave him?
Yes, dish him. That guy doesn't deserve the scent of your affection.
Doreen, have you forgotten? Have you forgotten he's the pillar of my success?
Huh.
And my family's well-being. Look, I cannot just ditch him like that. And besides, I love him.
Girlfriend, this is pure madness. Eh? I say you're sworn to be in a toxic relationship because there's no explanation to it.
Look, I think you shouldn't worry about anything, okay? He's not going to kill me. And besides, he's just doing all this because he loves me. It's not like he's going to harm me.
Are you serious?
Hey, babes.
Hi.
What's up?
Welcome. Hi.
Hi. I'm promised. Let's go to finish.
Okay, now?
Yes.
Okay, where are you taking me to?
Your favorite?
Really? Thank you. See where I'll be. Okay, I'll wait for you.
Get
Your phone.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready now?
Baby, you've not said anything since I got here.
And what exactly are you expecting me to say? Listen, first, you need to apologize to me. Okay? For leaving my father's funeral before anyone else. That's totally unacceptable. You pop out from nowhere and you expect me to give you a hug?
Popped out from nowhere.
Yeah. It's been weeks since my father died. No sign of empathy. You can't even call me to ask, how are you doing? I just lost my father, for crying out loud. What do you think this is?
Are we going to discuss this again?
Oh yes, we are.
You know, I still have a long way to go before I can achieve my true potential.
I totally understand because you've clearly chosen show business over starting up a family.
I'm not going to choose, but I love my career and nothing will make me to leave it. Anyway, Mike,
Don't touch me.
let's go and talk about this over lunch.
Suit yourself. I'm not going anywhere. As you can see, I'm busy.
Let's go to lunch, okay? So we can talk about this. Hmm? Baby.
Hey, babe.
Hi, babe.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I'll be waiting for you.
Yeah. You ready to go? So, Nengi,
Hey, baby.
we have actually come a long way. And I feel this is the right time to let the cat out of the bag. You see, before my father passed away, I made him a promise. I told him I would end up with you. He loved the idea because, obviously he really loved you. So here's me fulfilling my promise to my father. Nengi,
Please stand up.
will you marry me?
Michael, I'm sorry. I can't marry you. No, it's nothing but just that we are not compatible. You're not my type of man for a husband.
Nengi, what do you mean I'm not compatible? I'm not your kind of man for a husband. What do you mean by that?
I don't know how to explain this, but I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Michael. I can't do this.
Hold on, wait.
No, I'm sorry.
Nengi.
What? What? What?
Your eyes like lanterns in the dark of my soul, luring me deeper into the danger zone. Baby, oh, a lost lover.
What's up?
Hey, bro. Hey.
Alpha.
I'm alright. How are you?
Don't tell me you don't sleep at home anymore. Why did they sleep for your office? Have you turned your office into a bedroom? Hold on. Don't tell me you're having problems with Nengi.
We're not together anymore. And she went our separate ways, yeah.
You're joking, right?
No, I'm not.
How is that?
I asked her to marry me and she declined, so yeah.
Nengi? Yeah. No, bro, that's unbelievable. The Nengi that I know loves you so much. How come?
It's crazy. Equally very surprised. I mean, everybody liked her, my father, my mother, but I guess, I guess she probably didn't see me as someone, to end up with, so yeah.
Man, this is unbelievable. Nengi? Are you serious? Women. Anyway, well, yeah, I think we need to go out and ease off. Man, we need to go out. Let's go and catch up.
Go out. I'm not interested. I have work.
No, bro. You need a breath of fresh air. Please. Let's go find some things to distract you from this man.
I'm not interested, bro. I just have a lot of work to do.
So I just made you sleep in the office.
I dozed off.
Mikey. Hold on. I still don't believe that Nengi rejected the proposal. No, that's not happening.
So just like,
Then what does she want? You ready?
Oh yes, I'm almost done.
Okay. The phone has been ringing. Who's calling you?
I have no idea who that might be. Jerry, what are you doing?
One more words from you, and I'm going to smash this phone and do something both of us will regret.
What happened? Okay, please, can you just hand me my phone? Let me know who's calling.
Okay. If I'm going to give you this phone on one condition, that you start calling these people one after another and tell them it is over. You're not doing anymore. Yes, Jerry, your boyfriend, says so. You're not doing again because I'm getting married to you soon. Do you hear me?
Babe, can you just calm down? Let's talk this out like matured people. Please, I don't
There is no other mature way than this. Come, Sandra, how dare you cheat on me under my roof, Sandra? Are you crazy or something? You know how much I love and cherish you, do you? Don't you? Good. More messages. You have 5 seconds or bid this phone goodbye.
You know what, Jerry? You can actually do yours, okay? If you want to smash the phone, it's perfectly fine. I'm not caught out for this rubbish. I have to be at work now.
How dare you!
Jerry! Oh my goodness! Jerry, you broke my phone! Oh my gosh. Jerry, how could you do this to me?
Tell me next time. Tell me next time!
How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me?
And where do you think you're going to? Come back here! Come back here, Sandra!
Is this all?
Mama, now all now, chicken. Nothing dey my purse. Eh? Nothing dey. See am.
You shift now. No push me again.
I won't do that nonsense. Many of them don't touch me.
Come with this one.
Don't mind me.
Hey, John. Is this all?
Mama, now all now, I go lie for you. See my bag, nothing dey again. Mama, me na your girl now. Eh?
I'm gonna go submit your money.
I don't tell you no dey touch me. You carry your pala body shift.
Chisom, is this all Mr. Boniface gave you for
Mama.
last night?
Mama. You don't collect alert now. I did it when he give you alert. Now me be the only person they bring this kind of plenty money come visit your business. Now Grace they run am now. Check am.
You talk too much. You talk too much.
Bala keep quiet.
Or Shakira. I pray they run.
They walk you. You know keep your mouth.
I pray they run.
Can I have some peace? I'm
Mama,
counting
see
money.
me, oh, see me. Fish go dey talk, fish sef go wan show him finger.
No face your mouth. Ashawo.
Hey! Ashawo say they call Ashawo Ashawo.
Shut up!
One be with you before.
So you know they work 10,000 1 week, they plan to change room. Ashawo sef get taste. See how na dey say count am o. Na Grace na dey run am.
Nigeria no say na you see.
Mama, check and wear. Phoebe, count out. 200. Can I have my peace? What is wrong with you?
Sorry, ma.
Mama, no mind them. They challenge Grace.
Chisom, you may leave now. I'll get back to you.
Thank you, Mama.
Let me have the money.
I see it, Sama. It is dodo or nothing. See it here. It's a dodo something now. What are you
Is this
saying?
all?
Mama, sure. See, I'm now. Nothing remain.
Oh.
I'll tell the wrong things.
Don't come out.
I bet clear road where Delta see space.
You talk.
When Delta is submitting money, zip your mouth. Now my money still they run now. See, I'm now.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Wait, your hand.
Mama Chief say he'll come and see you in the evening time.
Really?
Yes.
That's really good news anyway.
I know say you dey like that kind of news.
Wait, I want to see your boss.
Mama.
Let me see the boss.
Mama na do or not? No, see am na. This is do something. What are you saying?
Go back, go back. Go back, I beg. Just this? Ah, all this money no reach you. Mama, you get big eye. Let's see chief give me that, I beg. I tell you, you come and teach you work. You know they hear. Teach who? Why they give one style? That way they run out. Sometimes they use money to fund myself. I don't blame you. I'm just talk on for this place. Sure. Concentrate. Just 30,000 naira. Hey, listen. You need to work on yourself. It's like they are no longer interested in you. You need to work on yourself. What? Me? 30,000 naira for a night? Mama, for me? Me na spec I do. You're spec and you're getting just 30,000 naira. Forget the small body. Now the engine. Now it matter. Get out. Next person, please. Mama, did you receive a lot from Chief? I don't have my money. It's none of your business. It's okay. So much money. Baba for the girls. Oh. I can see you're sweating because of the money. Just keep counting. Hey. Are you sure this is all? This is all. You know I can cheat you, of course. You should trust your girl. I've been in this game for years. Okay. See ya. You really know. Oh, thank you. The Honorable Speaker himself. The man that has the interest of his people at heart more than his comfort. Oh, yes. Oh. I'm seated right here in my office. Very well then. Just mentioned in the vision, I will do with you in less than an hour. Okay, yes. All right. My G. The Honorable. All right. I'll see you. Bye. Yes. It's about the movie. It's jumping.
How can a big girl like you stay without a phone?
Look, Tony, I planned on going to a phone shop to get a small phone, pending when I can repair the damaged one, because I honestly can't stay without a phone. Considering the line of my work, I can't.
So you know it is not proper. And you allow him to scatter the phone. Girl, this your mummy is becoming too much. Oh. I'm suspecting something. Hope you're not under a spell.
Just leave me alone, I beg. I'm trying to think.
Shine your eyes, oh. Shine it.
I was even thinking maybe.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Look, I know you're not happy with me because of what happened earlier. I'm here to say I'm sorry, okay? Please, don't be angry with me. So, to make it up, I got you this.
A phone?
Yes, for you.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And for your stress, 100,000 naira for you.
No way.
Yeah, way.
This is beautiful.
Okay, got your lot?
Thank you so much, babe.
So that. Just want you to be happy, okay? Meanwhile, I was on my way out to somewhere, so I decided to get you the phone so I can be able to reach you, okay?
Okay.
Put your SIM card so I can call you,
Okay,
alright?
I will.
Take care.
Take care.
I love you.
Love you too.
Hi.
Sweet. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Let me just keep it first.
Now I see why you want to kill yourself because of him. He just bought you a phone of 1.7 million naira and a transfer of 100,000 naira.
I mean, have you guys seen it?
Oh.
Look, I cannot just throw Jerry away. Jerry's my gold. I can't. So whenever you girls are saying I should just ditch him, I can't do that.
It's a giver. But it's abusive. You should know that.
So am I complaining to you? I am not complaining to you. Listen, I rather cry in a private jet and in Dubai than cry in poverty, girl. I cannot do that.
Thank you, Gary. Not this one. I'm not interested.
Yeah, I know you wouldn't be interested. I know that, okay? But please stay away from me because I'm allergic to poverty.
Girlfriend, not all that glitters is gold.
This is gold. Okay. Don't you want to have something to drink? Okay.
See, guy, on a serious note, you need to stop doing this to yourself. What are you doing? Why are you started being too lonely? You don't talk to anyone. What is going on? You want to die because of dengue? Eh? Is she the only woman in this city? Why are you doing this? See how fine boy like you just because one girl say rejects your engagement. That's why you want to kill yourself. You are not even doing anything. You just moving, checking on those papers. Nothing. You can't even concentrate, nigga. I've told you, forget about this girl. Move on with your life. See, we're going out tonight. Let's go somewhere. Drink. Make we chop. You have money. Let's eat something. Forget about her. You won't die because of dengue. No. As far as I'm here, we are going out tonight. We'll go drink, chop. If na nkwobi you see you chop. What did they do you now? Look at you. Become a shadow. You've just suddenly become a shadow of yourself because of dengue. Hey, Michael. You hear me at all? Yes, we are going out. All these things you're checking, just pack your papers. Let's go to a bar. Let's go somewhere and ease up. Man, let's go and chill now. You see some things that can distract you, you listen to music, drink, look at girls. At the end, if you're not impressed, I'll stop disturbing you. I promise. You need to be distracted. Neng is where for you. I'm not joking, no. This thing is becoming too much, man. How can you be living like this because of a girl? She has gone her way. Let it go, please. We're going out somewhere. I have somewhere I want to take you to. Look, we go see girls, Just distract yourself. I heard you.
Lost affection, lost affection, lost affection, lost affection. Why did you fade out? Why did you fade out? Was it something I did wrong? Why did you fade out? Is there anything I did wrong? One more. love to decay. I'm reaching out for you, baby, but you are gone. You are gone. You leave me without saying goodbye. Without saying goodbye. But you are gone. You are gone. You leave me just empty. Without saying goodbye. Lost affection. You are gone. Lost affection. You leave me without saying goodbye. Without saying goodbye. You are gone. You are gone. You leave me alone without saying goodbye. In the silence, I whisper your name, hoping that somehow you will hear my heart. Maybe some.
Who are you? And how did you get this strong influence over my life that I can't stop thinking about you?
Oga, your food already.
Reaching out for you, baby, but you are gone. You are gone. You leave me without saying goodbye.
All right. Where's your account number?
Yes, I can understand.
All right. Okay. Good. All right. Done. Check.
Can I please see the receipt?
Okay.
Okay.
Isn't it right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right. Sandra, I'm done with the payment. Yeah.
Thank you so much for always patronizing.
You're welcome. Listen, I always tell you that I am your number one top customer. Okay, so anytime you're welcome, huh?
Thank you. All
Come
right.
here. All right.
Have a nice day.
You too. Okay, so I will just start going right now.
Okay. Babe. You don't cry.
You know the hear word. You again. Yes, me again. What do you want to do? No, tell me. You want to have a fight with me? Or you still want to slap her just the way you did the other time? No, tell me. You got some knives, don't you? Alright. We'll see to that. Alright, let's see then. Okay.
It's not what you.
Did you say something? Open that mouth again. Utter something. You. Yes, me. I don't mark your face, guy. I've marked your level too. Come on, Sandra. I don't understand.
I'm really sorry.
No. You don't have to be sorry. Okay? No, come on, Sandra. How long will he keep on showing such stupid attitude? Listen, if he keeps on doing this, you will lose a lot of customers. I don't get it.
Andrew, I'm so
No.
sorry.
You know what? I'll go out there and I'll deal with him. Yes, I'll put him in his place. I'll make him sit as a man.
No, Andrew. Wait, what happened? Is that blood on your face?
No. It's spring water.
Come, Sandra. What wrong have I done to you? What is my offense? What did I do to you, Sandra? How many times have I begged you? Have I asked you? Have I pleaded with you to maintain faithfulness in this relationship? Yet, no. You won't. Listen to me. What I did to that riffraff
is nothing compared to what I will do to you the next time I step into that spa and see you with another man. What I will do to you, Sandra, what I will do to you. Maba, you will not recognize your complexion anymore. Rubbish. Yeah. No. Napitan. You see me now, don't worry. Come, you see me now. I'm already going down to
Babe.
Let me call you back, please.
Babe. Look, I just want to let you know that I took a vow never to cheat on you. And I intend to keep it.
So what you want to claim now is that you, Sandra, you've never cheated on me since we started dating?
Never. I have never cheated on you, I swear. Look, those men at the spa are just my clients and our communication ends there, that's it.
Well, I don't have time for this discussion, alright? We'll talk about it when I come home. Please, I'm going out. See you later.
Now we're done, man.
Hi. Please, I'm looking for someone. Her name is Chisom. She's light-skinned and a bit curvy. I saw her a few days ago. Yeah.
Chisom.
Yeah. Do you know her? Do you know her? Speak up.
Make I check whether I go see him.
Who's this?
It is what it is.
Who's this?
But now where you did now? I know all these guys where they work for you.
Oh, you said. I hope she finds her.
Forget that, babe. Person won't see you inside.
Who be the person?
Na man won't see you.
Man?
Yes.
You get money?
I don't know. That one now, jump question where they ask me. They go, I be no they go.
I just want to know. Now make I know if I will go change clothes or something. Say a big pan lion.
She's coming.
Yeah.
I don't go check her more.
Where did you send her?
If I say she dey come.
Hi. It's me again. How are you?
Do I know you?
Yes, you know me. We were together a few days ago. What's up with you?
Okay, I don't remember. What's up?
Listen, I decided to come back and say hi. You know, I enjoyed your company the other day and I just felt like it was important for me to come around and, you know, see you again.
And you don't see me now. What's happening?
Are you working today?
Yeah, they work now. No leave, no transfer. They every night.
Okay, so come chill with me.
Okay, you get important when you want to talk. I don't get important.
I just asked if you're working today.
I dey work here every day now. Every night I dey here. No leave, no transfer.
Okay, so let's go home together.
Oh, now that side you dey carry and go. And you know how now. Go meet my man. I'm in a top price. So let me know what to do. I'll follow you. Since you want the whisper, I mean I whisper reach my madam.
Come now.
Okay, I shall not wait for anything.
That's how I know.
You didn't want to take this girl?
Listen, you don't have any right to judge her, bro. The last time she was with me, she was very nice. She was very nice to me. And sometimes I feel like they just do these things to probably put up a disguise. And when they go home with you, they are very, very nice. So we don't have any right to judge her. So don't judge her, please.
Nasha will be this way. How do you mean Nasha will be nice to you? I don't understand. Nasha will be this way.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, bro.
Michael, are you okay? Nengi just happened a few weeks again. Do you remember?
Listen. Don't judge her. She's a nice person. Hold on, I'm coming.
Where you they go, bros? Mike. They go beat you for here. Hey, this guy. Where are they? Somebody should come, please.
What's happening now? Okay, how they touch it all like this?
Relax.
You never pay more, you want to enjoy it. What's happening?
Take it easy. Come on.
Ha!
I don't bite.
Why they look back? You be ritualist.
Listen now. You talk too much.
Okay, talk with you want to talk.
Can I talk now?
Go ahead.
I was serious about what I said. I want to take you home.
Okay, I don't tired to the talk. See, it they pay me. I don't like to waste my grace anyhow. I don't feel they talk every day. Everybody when they know me already. Now grace they run out for me, not by race.
Why?
You understand? Okay, I don't feel tell you before. No, they less my grace again. Why? I tell you, say if you get anything when you want to talk out with my madam. My madam will give me instruction. I'll go to do next. Why you they wait for me, man? They repeat everything.
But you need to hear me out. You need to hear me out.
Okay,
I needed to talk to you in private so you can at least understand what I mean.
Okay.
Listen, I know, I mean, it's not appropriate for me to come here, but I had to come tell you what I want you to do for me.
Okay.
I want you to take you home, and I want you to spend 1 month with me.
1 month?
Yeah, just 1 month.
When get hand and leg? You define you want to do ritual?
No, that's not. Listen.
Oga, see, I agree say I be a shower, but guess what? This my head is strong. You know, you no go work. You no fit use me do anything.
Can you relax?
No go work
Can
for
you relax?
Oga, should be 1 month now.
Just relax. Just
go meet my madam profile.
Listen, I know it's going to cost a lot of money, and I'm ready to pay. Okay? I just want you to come with me for 1 month. Just
this your face cap no be like person and get money. Go talk to my madam. If anything you and my madam talk, she go tell me. She don't profile you finish, she go let you know how much. You can't let me know. Oga, for now, no, you disturb me again. And let me disturb me.
I'm ready to pay.
Oga, don't be the collect payment. Now be accountant.
That's okay, but I needed to talk to you about it first.
Oga, no be me get myself for. Yeah, they work for person. If you pay a shower, if you try to make it jump, you go, they ask you, say, how you want make I take high, jump the jump.
Can you just reduce your voice?
Hi.
Just stop saying ashao. Like, people are listening to you. Come on.
But what's I be now, Oga?
It's okay.
Now the work when they do
you
now.
want me to talk to your mother?
Oh, you the shame make people know you say they carry a shower.
Relax.
Hey,
wait,
see this
wait.
man, no.
Like, there are neighbors around. Just chill.
Yeah. Now you call shower dread when you say neighbors there around.
Yeah, because I like you.
They like a shower. Hey, Oga, they only like a shower, I beg. Oga, na money matter with the top of you. I beg, if you want talk, go talk to my madam. She dey office, No, they disturb me. I get plenty work to do. And other customers. See, now money, now they talk. No be mouth. I don't feel tell you now. Abba. Because say grace the runner for me, no miss how they take nonsense from every person, though. Now grace the runner, no be race, so maybe respect yourself. Ha! Shall one more like 1 more. Ha!
Mother Cindy, we didn't find you since. We wait for you. Where you go?
Oh, sorry about that. You know, I was moving around, checking on stuff.
Oh, okay. Me and this my guy. We won't see you.
Listen, I'll just go straight to the point. Yeah. Madam, I'd like to take home one of your girls.
One of my girls?
Yeah.
Which of them?
Chisom, the light-skinned one, the curvy one.
So for how long?
So this time is a little bit different. I'm looking at 1 month.
1 month?
Yeah.
No. It's not going to be possible. Because my girls don't stay out for that long. 1 month?
I didn't say it was for free. I'm ready to pay for it. Just tell me what I need to pay.
Young man, if you want to take my girl out for 1 month, 1 whole month, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you afford 2 million naira?
Done. Just send your details to him. I'll pay for it.
Michael.
Jerry,
you sure this guy dope?
Show me, say you do.
Sure, you know, man.
Yes, now. I'm a guy, I know. See, now a very young, a very gentle guy. You don't get problem. If you say now what you want, you go pay. Chicken, I no fear.
No be about pay. You say you go call, come one of the girl organ.
Go with you. No, talk like that. I look like ritual to you. I don't even hear anything like that from my side. This guy now my 5 and 6. I know him well, know me well. You know if you do that kind of thing. Share, in fact, me and a middle man now. So no fear. Yes.
If he says so.
Yeah, so send your details to him and I'll transfer the money.
Immediately.
Yes, the money for hand. Madam Cindy.
Are we good? Are we good?
We're good.
So I'll just leave you guys to.
I recall. Cindy. 2 million. Oh, yeah.
What is your problem?
Okay, no problem. I don't want to spoil your business. Or I go collect one of the girls, might use and compliment. This 2 million, you know how much you did.
That will be in your dream.
If you collect one, you know how many years old collect.
I said it will be in your dream. What is wrong with you? I'll cancel this deal now. I'll cancel the deal.
No, I book and send the account number. Make I go. Me will pay. You like money?
No, you hate it.
Lost affection, lost affection, lost affection, lost affection.
Oh God, Jesus, who do you this kind of thing? How did I? Are you there? Hello? Hello?
Why do you allow this love to decay? I'm reaching out for you, baby.
Oh, who you be? You be ghost? How you take it here?
Please, where's Michael?
Huh? No guy they call Michael. You no get respect, Abi. This your big baby they deceive you. Come, who kind of gentleman? How much you say you want get anything to do with somebody like him? So, begin the talk. How you take come here?
I came with your boss last night.
Now I don't see you. I don't have sleep. How is this good if you don't open it? You can't sleep inside. Get man see you. Huh? You don't see you. Come on, tell me. I take it back here. Oh yeah, more they go. They look me. More they go. And touch her.
You think you're dragging me?
Oh, man, you go tell me who can you come here. Basi! What is this? You speak English. On top of your one. Basi! Yeah, here. Come here.
Jen, where you carry your scrub come house? Ngawedong ni gabi ban. Ogago saki.
Want to wait? Want to start on the do woman, Abi?
Yes.
Bless you, no get sense. Abi?
Can you please let me go?
How she taking that here? See, I see her for step. They come down. Now I say, who you be? Who carry you come? You be your spiritual wife. I be waiting. Now she say she enter this house for night, and I not say you see. I mean, now you can't come.
God forbid! God forbid! I know if you carry this kind of person come house now. I get taste, I get class. Look at her, she's not even my spec. Madam, start talking. Who carry you come here? Are you taking that you fly? You came in the heights of the spirit? Start talking. If not, I will arrest you. I will call the chief escorts and the chief securities to come after you right now.
Are you a dummy? Are you a dummy? Why don't you just call your boss and find out from him? Or will you keep embarrassing me and risk his wrath when he gets here?
Hi! What an American mommy water. You there crossroad. You still dey speak grammar. By the time I finish with you, you will know that okay, my name is Bas Emmanuel Mbong. I don't take shit. I just start talking right now. If not, I will send you back to them.
Now talk. Begin talk. Because I know my Oga well. My Oga na gentleman.
Can you leave my hand?
Close your mouth, make I talk. I say, can you leave my hand? You dey speak drama.
Oga don't
Eh?
come.
Say my Oga no go fit carry Olosho like you come this house. Now show you things. Oga don't come. You under arrest. Oga hold am. Hold am. Sir?
Are you okay?
Yes.
Why is she holding you?
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Why are you holding her?
I'm teaching Steve. I say make I catch am for you before you come back.
It's okay.
So, last night you didn't sleep? And this morning on my way to the gym, I saw you sleeping, so I didn't bother to wake you up. Wait, why are you guys acting like... What did you guys do?
Just ignore them. They didn't do anything.
Oga no say na your visitor.
What did you do to her?
Okay, I beg no vex. We no know say na your visitor. I did my post. Now Jane carry and come out. Say there is a case. As the chief security officer, I said let me come and investigate the case and know where the case is coming from and how I'm going to land the case. And before you came in, I said, okay, thank God my Oka is here. Let me hand over the case to you. Nothing else.
So yeah, and we even call him.
She called me Olosho, but it's fine.
You said that?
Me?
But that's what I am. So it's
Can you wait for me inside?
okay. But please
just wait for me inside.
Oga, beg, forgive us. Don't forgive me. Okay, I'm sorry. You sorry?
So, you harassed my guest and called her an Olosho? Huh? What's an Olosho? What does that mean?
Okay, I don't know.
What does that mean? Like, what do you mean by an Olosho? What does that mean?
Okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't know.
Did you... Okay, you saw her and you didn't recognize her, right? You thought she was probably a stranger or someone who came to steal. So why didn't you call me on the phone?
Okay. Okay. I didn't want to disturb you.
Okay.
You know, and I am the chief security officer of this place.
All right.
So I said, okay, now there is no need for me to disturb my Oka. Let me use my position and take care of the matter.
Okay.
Because I mean, looking at... Yes, that was what happened.
What's your name again?
Basi.
Basi. Okay. Get up. Both of you get up.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Don't feed him for 3 days. Listen to me. You must starve him for 3 days. And you, don't let her out of this compound for 2 days.
Huh?
Before you do so, ask me first.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, please, my condition is very, very critical. I have ulcer. And if I don't eat for 2 days, it can cause arthritis in my brain. Please temper justice with mercy. Just another chance.
You're a fool.
Aye.
Now allow me come out and not make food.
You go do deal. If you come out, you give me food.
You know now. Oh, God, they crash away. Crash away right in my eye.
What's that? If you don't know how to eat, go into the kitchen, pick another plate and help yourself. Stop littering this table.
I'm so sorry, baby. It was a mistake.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
It was unintentional, too.
It's a mistake, right? Please don't repeat it. Thank you. You see what I'm saying? Why are you so clumsy?
I'm sorry, baby.
How can't you do anything right?
I'm so sorry.
You like getting on my nerves. Why?
I'm sorry.
My friend, get out and kill this up.
dark of night. Lost affection, affection, lost affection. Why did you fail?
You okay?
Can I go?
Go to where?
Since
Listen to me. So I instructed Jane to take good care of you. In case you need to eat anything, you need to have a bath, and she's going to show you around. Okay?
well, since I'm not doing anything for you, can I not just go to the bar?
Go to which?
Yeah, I will.
Did you forget I paid you for 1 month? Listen, I want you to stay here, okay? Sit down, watch TV. Look around the house. Enjoy yourself until I get back. I need to go to work.
What do you want from me?
What do I want from you? I want you to stay here until I get back. Remember, I paid you for 1 month, right? Okay? All right?
In the dark of night, I feel your presence near. A whisper promise, a forbidden fear. Your eyes.
So, I want you to join me to a friend's party. But you're not going to go dressed like this. We'll have to get you something really nice to wear.
No. My auntie will not like it.
Your auntie? Oh yes, she would, because she's not the one spending the money. Listen, you have to go with me. Besides, you complain about being bored at home, so let's go have some fun. Alright, let's go get something for you to wear. You alright? Oh.
Yes.
What are you trying to do? Hey, stop it.
What's in this up?
Listen, you did great today.
No, wait first. You serious? I've been a joke, the joke, say you know what wrong package. Bros, calm down, go treat you nice.
Stop it now. Take it easy, come on. What's wrong with you?
Your thing no dey work. I make that sick base leave you. Hey! Bros, no worry. I'll be expert. I will help you arrange her.
Listen, I was going to say you did great today. Alright, let's get some sleep, and tomorrow we continue with the investigation, alright?
Waske?
Get some sleep.
What you dey investigate? Na jam? I no understand.
Please, can you turn off the light? Thank you.
Okay, if I off light, we go do am. Eh? Bros, John, we know they refund for our company.
Can you stop?
They know they refund for my madam no go give you your money back. You can't me going back on watch television every day. I don't understand. Yeah, I bet Tomo run this thing, no, because you know go you bro. Don't sleep now. Why they do this kind of thing now?
Can you,
what do you want me to go tell my madam?
Can you just shut up and turn off the lights and go to sleep, please?
They won't run street though. It don't finally happen.
Turn off the light, please. Thank you. Get some sleep. Tomorrow we continue from our stuff.
Don't make this kind of thing. Which kind of problem be this one? If I see this guy think to know the work. This guy fine boy. We don't fair run this thing before. Finally happen. It don't happen. It don't happen.
Of course I'm happy. I get to be happy, okay? That's the man of my dreams. I've always wanted a man that's generous to faults. So,
Are you not scared of being made?
Toyin, we have talked about this before. I've said it countless times. It is better to cry in a private jet than to laugh in a keke. Come on.
I want you to stop saying that. Told you to. No matter how generous you be.
And how about John? John that beats you at random and yet gives you nothing. Look, Tony, I don't know how many times I will tell you this, and I don't know why I keep repeating myself, that I prefer crying in a private jet than to laugh in poverty. How hard is it to understand?
My dear, if not for your mother, I would have left you long ago. You know John wasn't like this on my back. Like they need to do.
Oh, please, stop with this your consolation slogan, okay? Look, money must be made. Everyone wants to be successful, okay? And that money must be made by any means possible. What is it? Please, I'm trying to figure out something here.
You mean she made this?
Yes, Oga. Now she cooked the food. She even cooked past me. Yeah, surprise.
Wow. It's really nice. You've been cooking?
Well, this is the 6th day you brought me here. So, I don't have anything else to do than to look for a way to burn some calories. Besides, I see your plan is to make me obese. You know, say, this life not grace. Don't be by race, so.
Nice. Quite impressive.
Thank you. My grace zero now.
You know I'm looking at you, right?
Yes. No, I don't know.
No. I hope you've been learning.
Yes, no, Adele. She's happy cook. For a basmati rice. She's happy cook. Obiofe. Yeah, they cook ofe and ufunubo. It is bako. She no fit cook that one now.
Because I might just replace you with her.
Okay. You know fit safe. You know fit try am. You go just brown. She no fit cook soup. Only me sabi cook soup. Now basmati she sabi cook. So you no fit replace me. One slim. You no fit now. You no fit replace
That's
me.
enough. Thank you.
Make I dey go now. Enjoy your meal. Go. Go chop my own.
Very good. Nice.
Thank you. My grace zero now.
I am lost in the shadow with your love, forgot you. Dangerous love, reckless love.
Hi, baby.
What are you doing here?
Oh, you hurt me with your words. I mean, this is your sugar pie you've not seen in weeks, and this is how you welcome me. Don't you miss me?
Hey, move away. What nonsense is this? I thought we agreed you'll never come to my house again.
Why won't I come to your house? Oh, it's because of this daughter of Jezebel. That is why you want to ditch me.
Hey, watch your mouth.
I thought you said it was over between you both. What's she still doing here?
I have no idea. She's probably just passing by or something. Please, can you just leave?
I'm not going anywhere. See, if you think you're going to ditch me because of this thing, that's a big fat lie. I don't know where.
Please, just sort this out.
I promise you I'll handle it. See, I don't want trouble. Okay? Quietly leave my house, please. I don't want trouble. Just leave, please.
Mike, is it that you've forgotten how we...
Stay away from me now. What's wrong with you? I said leave my house.
Mike, it's me.
Get out! Move away. Come on.
Get out, Joe! What's wrong with you?
Ow! Take it easy!
Come on, girl!
Oh, Michael! Stop! Stop!
Now listen to me. Now listen and listen good. I don't ever want to see you in my house again. Get your cursed self out of my house! Get out! Basi! Come here! Now listen, I don't ever want to see this woman in my house again. Do you understand?
Okay, okay.
You're not only going to lose your job, I'm going to get you arrested. Now take her out of here!
Yummy. Okay, okay.
Take her out!
Please. Get out. I'm here for me. I had your one of you. My okay, say, please. Let's don't match up. And let's act mature. Open this gate. Then let's go in now. Open this gate.
In the silence, I whisper your name, hoping that somehow you will hear my heart. Maybe someday our love will find its way back to the affection we shared before. Why do you allow this love to decay? I'm reaching out for you.
Thank God you're awake. Babe? How are you feeling right now?
I feel tired and hungry.
Oh, okay. No problem. Just stay put, okay? Don't go anywhere. Don't do anything. I will go downstairs and fix something for you to eat, alright? If you need anything, just call me. Please, alright? Don't do anything. I love you. Please, don't move. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back.
You have a kind heart. But why are you such a bully? But you are very generous. And I've come to love you because of your generous heart. No matter what you do to me, I will never leave you for anything. Look, I know Jerry can be a little aggressive and sometimes harsh, but I mean, he's the kind of man I've always wanted. A man that knows how to treat his lady right, okay?
So all you care about is what you gain from Jerry. A man that abuses and assaults you. I'm surprised you didn't learn from my mistake, or you want to learn it the hard way.
Hold on. So you know, you can't possibly compare my Jerry to that evil John of yours. I mean, okay, answer me. How many times did John take you on a fast date? Or even spend at least 20K a week? Never. Jerry, he knelt me down for 2 hours, and after that, he took me to Apple Grove restaurant, and we spent not less than 300K. And when I was leaving the next morning, he made a transfer of 500K to my account. So have you seen how generous my man is?
Can you hear yourself speak? A man that knelt you down for 2 hours. I've never seen anyone that loves all the glitterings in the world. Sandra. If you like, keep giving excuses to justify your baseless and useless stupidity.
Tony, hold on. Have I ever called you or maybe ran to your house to complain to you? Am I complaining? No. Look, I really don't care, okay? As long as the money keeps rolling in, I don't mind. And besides, I have an honest job, remember that? So I don't care. As long as the money keeps rolling in, I don't mind even kneeling down for 4 hours, 3 hours. I really don't mind, okay? So please, I don't know why you are drinking painkillers for my own pain.
Are you serious, Sandra?
Yes, I
You're
am
so
serious.
despicable.
Thank you, ma. Do you know how much this stuff on my hand is? He got it for me.
Michael, she's still here. Michael, you want to do this to me?
Michael, why does she have access to this place? I mean, why does she come here at will?
This girl is in my past, and she remains in my past. What is it now? Why are you embarrassing me?
Michael, why are you doing this to me? Okay, what do you want me to tell your mom that happened to us?
Listen, I don't like this. You're stalking me, and I don't like it. Just leave.
I'm sorry. I've said I'm sorry countless times. Okay, see, I know I made a mistake, but it's all in the past now.
Nengi, you don't understand, do you? You had the opportunity to make things right. You had all the time in the world to fix things, but you clearly refused to.
I know. And that is why I'm back. See, I still love you. I can bring back the happiness into our life.
Nengi, it is too late, oh.
My kids.
Hey, as you can see, I'm with someone else now.
Michael.
And there's nothing you can do because it is too late. Please go away.
Michael, please. Please don't do this to me. I still love you.
What is this now? We both had an agreement, right? She's not supposed to come here. Yes. So what's she doing here?
Oh my God. You're not supposed to be here. I remind you. Please.
Can you just leave?
Can you just
Come on.
go?
Can you take her out of this place?
This is really embarrassing.
Listen, I'm sorry. I apologize. I promise to take care of it, okay?
Can you just sort it out once and
There's
for all?
nothing to worry about. I'll handle it, I promise. Okay, please. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I tried my best.
Come here. Come close, come close. Come close to me. What did you say?
I said, okay, I am sorry. I tried my best.
You're sorry about what?
That she entered. Okay, I beg no vex. She overpowered me because of my nature. Okay, I beg, permit me to call my village people. I know someone that can do juju very well. He can do juju very well. He will do juju and I'll use juju at the gate. Anytime she wants to come, she will sue the juju and she will run away. Yes.
You know what? Just go upstairs. Go to your duty post. And remain there for 2 weeks. Don't come down. Don't worry, I'll take care of the gate. Go.
I go take job.
Get out.
Okay, sorry, okay.
Go upstairs.
Okay.
Just remain there for 2 weeks. Don't come down. Don't worry, I'll take care of the gate, okay?
Okay. Okay, I beg her go take the job food.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
Can you just sort this girl out once and for all?
I will, I promise. I promise I will. It's not a problem at all, okay?
You look handsome.
Thank you.
You know, all of this is just a phase, right? And this fairy tale will definitely pass.
Just make it special while you're still here, alright? Make it worth the while.
You paid for a service and you will get great service. I promise to give you good memories, you know, ones that will last you even after I'm gone.
Where's mine?
Oh, there.
Oh, right. Let's go.
Sure.
Oga, good morning, sir.
Yeah, can I help you?
Yes, sir. Our grocery, our foodstuffs don't finish for this house. I need the money.
Sorry, I want to get you correctly. You're low on food stock and you think this is the right time to tell me?
Yes. Sir, I know since Auntie Fan and Auntie Chisom enter this house, she dey cook. I know they enter kitchen, so I won't take no say something don't finish.
I'm sorry, it's actually my fault. I didn't inform her earlier now.
So you wanted money and you're just telling me now. This is the right time for you to tell me. Wait. Sorry.
Sure.
Do you do drugs?
Mm.
Are you on drugs? So that we can know how to help you.
Mm.
No, you can confide in me.
Okay, stop now. You know, sir, I know they do one.
Sorry. It's my bad, please.
Alright then, when I get to the office, I'll do a transfer.
Thank you, sir. I feel they take drugs. I'll try her one day.
I feel your presence near. A whisper from me.
Wow. Chisom is a very lucky girl. Chisom is a very lucky girl. Eh? Look at her. Eh? She's fine herself, her husband. She's there. Eh? Me, I'm tired of this run still, you know. I'm tired. I need to look for a man that will love me and cherish me there. Or are you not tired? This one you're keeping quiet. Are you not tired? Eh? You go be again and shower work.
You no go conclude yet. You know say that man pay our madam. Now, she fit come back after 1 month. So, no dey talk like that.
Are you sure? You can't just say like that. Don't just say it like that. Chisom has gone to stay with her husband, Nogusiwo. Because although I've taken over her man, but although I'm tired. That's why we are here. I don't even have money for it.
Jerry, I'm totally short of words. Chisom, that girl, I'm very impressed. To think we both know how she came into the picture. But trust me, she is every man's dream. She is a wife material. I know I sound stupid, but trust me, that girl is an amazing person. She cooks very well. She cleans. She does the entire house chores. Even when I have a maid, she takes the responsibility off her shoulders. My brother, if you eat that girl's food,
Michael, you're beginning to sound like you're falling in love with that girl.
I'm in love with her. And I want her to stay.
Like, you're serious?
I'm serious. I think I'm in love with her and I'm excited about it. Yeah.
So what happens to Nengi? I heard she's coming back. So why don't you give her a chance to come back instead of settling for a call girl?
Jerry, with due respect, I know we both are aware of how, Chisom got into the picture. But I would like us to respect her and not judge her. Because everyone has got a past. Do you understand me? So, hey, listen, let's not judge her. She's a human being.
But you don't have to forget that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. Yes.
Jerry, tell me the truth. Did Nengi pay you to come speak on her behalf? Because I don't understand you. Why are you so interested in Nengi?
Come on, Micah, please, stop it. I've not seen Nengi in weeks. So why would I... Which bribe? See, I'm just looking out for you as my guy. That's just it.
Because you're talking about Nengi. I'm trying to explain to you what I'm experiencing right now. You should be excited for me, but you keep talking about Nengi. Is she paying you or something?
You're being serious right now. What did Chisom give you? What style? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for looking out for me. Thank you. Hey. Why are you not buying me love? Just like this. I have to go see the madam.
Madam, Oga don send the money. So you go like follow me go market. I no like as the day house. You just the fat. Follow me go burn cholesterol. I should have waited call that day. Cholesterol.
Well, that's fine, but right now I've got things to do. Maybe later. When do you want to go to the market?
By 2 ma. 2 o'clock dot.
What's the by time now?
You don't pass 11.
Oh, okay, there's still time. That's fine. When is time for you to go? Just let me know.
For an auntie, if you follow me go this market there, people go the crowd, they come. They won't come see celeb. Aye, it's skin. Fine auntie.
Thank you.
Babe, we've been busy since I got here. I've missed you.
I'm sorry, babe. Please, give me a little time to get done with this, please.
No. Look, this can wait, okay? I need you now.
I know. Please, a little time. That's what I asked for. I need to finish up with this. I'm sorry, please.
No, you're done. You are done.
Now you are going to be a distraction.
I know. Okay, get up. Stand up.
It's burning out of control.
Get up.
Maybe I'm a fool for love. I'm so
Move!
but I will follow your heart. Maybe I'm a fool for loving you. Follow your heart into a danger zone. One more time, maybe I'm a fool for loving you.
I'm wet. Let's go to your room.
I think you're right, but let's just go and get something to eat.
Oh, yes. Good food is always good after making love.
Uh-huh.
So, I suggest I do the cooking. I guess you have food stuff in the house.
You cook?
What do you mean if I cook? Yes, I cook. Besides, I come from a tribe with the best cooking skills. So, let's go. Come on.
Oh.
Why are you staring at me like that? You don't like the food or something?
I'm enjoying the meal. As a matter of fact, it's been quite long I ate this kind of homemade meal. You know what? I never knew you were this beautiful.
Thank you. My boyfriend is calling.
Forget about her. I need to enjoy this moment with you.
But you barely know me that much.
I know. But the chemistry between us is too strong. I just hope you feel the same way too. This is nice and I'm enjoying this meal. You know, I think you're actually good in the kitchen and also good in the other room. You know what I mean? This actually tastes nice.
Thank you.
Mom?
Hello, baby boy. How are you?
What are you doing here?
Don't tell me you're not happy to see me here.
Listen, Messi, you are a call girl and should only be here when you are called. Do you understand?
Ifon. Basi, how are you? Basi, wait. Please come. Please come. How are you doing like this now?
This one where they smell, you don't win lotto.
Basi, let me go inside.
Go inside and do what? Madam, waiting be your problem. See, waiting be your problem, tell me. See, waiting they do you now. Maoka no day you won't go inside. The other day you come, Maoka tell you say, make you no come inside. See, if I allowed you come inside, I will not only lose my job, but he will send me to police station. And you are still here.
Don't worry. That day he was just angry. He didn't mean it. So let me just go inside and wait for him.
That day he was just angry, he didn't mean it. And you don't forget the minute, say you slap me because I follow Maoka instruction.
Oh, Basi, that day I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You know what? Hold on. Basi, you're my friend now. Here, have this. Just buy pain reliever, okay?
Bribery and corruption.
No, just to buy, you know.
I understand. See, Maraban defundi yung otemian. But let me tell you my profile. Anyang miro Basi Emmanuel Mbong. Akman Mbong one of his ongeka. Do you understand? We don't collect bribe. I am a man of integrity. Please, with deep respect to your personality, please, can you just go back?
I'm not bribing you. Just have this. You're my friend.
Okay. Upcoming humanitarian woman. No problem. You want to go inside, Abby?
Yes.
With the car?
Yes.
Okay. Let me open the big gate for you.
But just hold this first.
Don't worry. I don't accept bribe. I'll open the gate for you.
Basi.
Yeah. Okay, hold on, Let me open the big gate.
Okay. My person.
I am carry your own of here. When you are done, you can go.
Basi!
What is this now? What are you doing here?
Baby, I've been waiting for you.
You're in front of my gate. I can't even go in. Why are you stalking me? I thought we agreed you will never come close to me again. What is it?
Michael, I'm sorry. Okay, I accept. I overreacted. I shouldn't have reacted that way. But I am sorry. See, we used to be so good together before she just came from nowhere and came in between us.
Listen, I can't keep doing this. Okay? I can't keep doing this. We had an agreement that you're not going to come close to me again. What are you doing here?
I can't do that. See, my life is incomplete without you.
Shut up.
Do that.
Listen, I can't do this. Do you understand? I can't keep doing this. Do you want me to hurt you or something? Is that what you're trying to make me do?
Listen to me. Meeting you was a mistake. And I don't intend to repeat the same mistake again. Do you understand?
I'll say that I'm sorry. I am very sorry. See, I can't leave you. I can't. My life is incomplete without
Oh,
you.
shut up. Leave this place right now.
What is this, Seth? What do you see in that girl that I don't have?
Oh,
She's
really?
not even as smart as I am.
I'm going to tell you. Basi! Oh. Basi!
What do you even see in her that I don't? Eh? She's not even as smart as I am. And you're treating me this way.
She's not as smart as you are? Is that what you're saying? Guess what? She's better than you. Listen, you have nothing to offer me. Apart from what you have in between your legs, there's nothing else you can offer me. She's a lot better than you. You're very extravagant. She's not. What is she doing here?
Okay. She be won't go inside. I tell her, say no, you cannot go inside. She even tried to bribe me. I said no, I don't accept bribe because I am a man of integrity, just like my Oga, my destiny helper.
Send her out of here.
Please come and go.
Hold on. Michael, we can talk about this. See,
Send her out of here. She's in front of my gate.
Let's come and go now.
Michael.
Don't let me push you. You're
Hey!
a woman. Okay.
I'm going to slap you.
Okay, please start
Send her
going.
out of here.
Start going. Push the car.
What are you doing?
I want to push the car.
Lost affection. Affection. Lost affection. Lost affection. Affection. Lost affection. Why did you?
Hey! Are you deaf? Can't you hear the bang on the gate?
Okay, that one. Oga been don't hear am. I said make I open the gate since. But the Spirit of God said to me, Basi! I said, yeah. He said, don't open the gate. That Auntie Nengi is the one knocking. Yes.
Hey, you're a fool. My friend, go open the gate and find out who's there.
Okay.
Jesus, they got you! Hey! What happened? Basi! Basi, come here! What happened?
Your lunatic ex-girlfriend.
Yeah?
She almost injured me. Listen,
Basi!
I
Lock that
did
gate.
not sign up for any of this. I didn't. You know, us women, we're naturally jealous with a devilish mind. I do not want to be caught in the crossfire between you and your hunting girlfriend. I'm done with all of this.
Just calm down. Listen, it's okay, calm down. Just relax, calm down. Let me think of what to do. Wait. What do I do now? Yeah, you said you can drive, right?
What has it got to do with anything?
You said you can drive.
Yeah, so?
Because I want to give you one of my cars. Yes, anytime you want to go out, you can use one of my cars. Is that okay?
Thank you.
But you need a glass of water. Let's go inside. Basi! Okay. Lock this gate. Lock the gate.
Thank you.
Sorry. Huh? Basi! Lock this gate. Lock it properly.
Babe,
Yes, sis.
I would like to go to the hospital to see the doctor.
Why? Why do you want to see the doctor?
I think I may be pregnant.
You think? You mean at your age, you don't know whether you're pregnant or not? What's that supposed to mean?
No, it's just that I haven't seen my period this month, so I just feel maybe I might be pregnant.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I think that. Me too.
dark of night, I feel your presence near. A whisper promise, a forbidden fear. Your eyes like lanterns in the dark of my soul, luring me deeper into the danger zone. Baby, more. A lost lover, you were a reckless dream, a siren call.
Chisom, there's no one out there. Are you sure you're not hallucinating?
Hallucinating?
Yes. You're probably imagining things.
But I sincerely thought I was going to get kidnapped.
Well, I went out and I didn't see anyone. There's no one out there.
And the gun you just tucked behind?
Yes, it's for protection. I mean, it's a bad neighborhood. I need to protect myself.
What if the police gets you with it?
It's okay. It's a registered gun, so it's all right. Hey, you need to chill, okay? Relax. I'll get you something to drink. Sit down.
My dear, what is there to contemplate about? Tell him what you told me. You're not doing it and that's final.
Look, Tony, you know Jerry has anger issues. What if he rejects the pregnancy?
Then keep it and have the child. After that, sue him. He'll be forced to carry out his fatherly responsibility. You know abortion is a crime in Nigeria, and once you mention that he forced you in doing abortion, my dear, he's finished.
Okay, you know what, I'll just call him and let's discuss about it.
No, you don't have to call him. Tell him to come over here.
Okay. Just hold him.
Okay. My dear, you and Jerry has been living under the same roof for 3 years now. And something like this is expected to happen. You're not a child to say that it happened by mistake or...
Look, I want to keep it. But sometimes I'm just scared about the Jerry that will turn up.
Come on, shut up. Whatever version of him that comes up, you have to embrace it with 2 hands. With your both hands there.
I know you will not understand.
Oh, I'm not ready to understand. Face your sweet, bitter lover as you've always done.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Before you got back yesterday, I was already asleep. I wanted to tell you something.
Okay, shoot.
I'm 5 weeks gone.
What? Really?
Yes.
And I'm sure you'd like to keep this one.
Yes. I would like to keep this one. See, in the past 2 years, I've already aborted 4 pregnancies for you. I mean, you don't want to be a father yet, and you also don't want to use protection. But I really want to keep this one.
Okay, you can keep this one.
Really?
Yes, I want you to keep this one.
Thank you, babe. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're happy now, right?
Yes, I'm happy.
Come here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So I'm going to be a mom.
I'm going to be a dad. That's good.
I honestly can't wait.
I know that feeling.
What if it's a boy first?
You want to call the police or you want to be making 12 million naira from this?
What do you mean if I am going to be making 12 million naira from her?
Very simple. I will harvest her organ, sell them, then I'll split the money. Yes. But if you can call the police if you choose to. But don't forget, you are into sex trafficking. Yes. Don't forget that. Do you know you can be making cool money from these girls? Yes. You have a lot of them. You have a lot of girls whereby you give out for peanuts, but you can make cool money from their organs.
No doubt. I love money. When I say I love money, I mean real money. But do you know what? We just committed murder. We just killed someone.
Hey, come off it, come off it. There's nothing to be worried about. Yes, there's nothing to be worried about. Yes. It's an opportunity that can come to you once in a while. Or if you want me to stop calling you, I will stop calling you. Or do you want me to stop calling you? Okay, you know what? Maybe I have to give you some little time. You go home and think about it. Then you give me a call. Okay? Just go home and think about it. Then give me a call.
I want you to stay away from my man. And now that I have you one-on-one, I'm going to show you the way of the streets.
You're just so dumb. I'm wondering how such an intelligent man ended up with you in the first place. Why don't you just accept the fact that he doesn't want you or even love you anymore and just move on with your disgusting life?
I Nengi, to accept that I lost him to someone like you?
No. You didn't lose anything. He walked out on you. It's as simple as that. Listen, I know you're dumb, but at least ask yourself this question. Why did he walk away from me? Why did he switch from you to me? That's the question. That's what the question should be. And not you just putting up with this your dirty attitude of threatening and stalking him. Don't you have dignity? Where's your pride as an African woman?
You know what? You talk too much. I say you talk too much. You talk too much.
I'm back. Babe, wake up. I got you something really nice. Babe. Babe. Babe, wake up. Babe, aren't you hungry anymore? Wake up. Chiso. 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 Chiso, wake up. Chiso. 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 Basi! 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 Come here. Let's go. Carry on. Let's go to the house. Quick. Carry on. Open the gate. Open the gate. Babe. Shit.
Now, who be that? I tell you now. You won't break this gate. Who you be now? Stop that, you know. Oh, hold on. If you like say you know the fear.
Basi.
Okay.
What is wrong?
Okay, I beg no vex. I don't know say na you.
Are you out of your mind?
Okay, I don't know.
Did you buy this house for me?
No, okay.
Go on your knees. Go on your knees.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Are you on drugs?
No, okay.
Do you take drugs?
It's only paracetamol that I take.
Shut up! Now, who came into this house? Who came into this house today?
Okay, it's only Auntie Negi.
Who?
Is it Auntie Dengi? Yes, I swear to God, now only Auntie Dengi come this house. Oh. No other person come this house because now me they here. Yes.
But Basi, I thought we had an agreement she will never come into this house again. Why did you let her in?
Okay, I beg no vex.
Why did you let her into my house?
Okay, I beg no vex. Let me explain in details. Okay, I hear person not forget. I go open. I know say I make mistake. I suppose ask who they forget. Make the person talk. Make I know say na she. But I just open the gate like I don't know what thing do me. As I open gate, I see him. I say make I push him. Now she push me back. Her strength became more higher than my strength. She carry me away, and she enter inside. I'm sorry, Oka. I'm sorry. She overpower me. I swear to God.
Basi,
Okay.
you let her into my house. Stay here. Kneel down. Stay here. Now listen to me.
I'm sorry. Oh, Engwood.
Hello? Good day, sir. You're Michael speaking. Sir, please, there's an emergency. I need you to pick up someone. Yes. She tried to kill my fiance. Attempted murder, sir. Yes, sir. My ex-girlfriend, actually. Yes. We're no longer together. Yeah, she comes to my house and threatens to kill everybody. She's a lunatic. Yes. So I need her taken away because if you don't take her away, she might hurt somebody. We're no longer together. We are separated. That's what I'm saying. Exactly, sir. Sir, as I speak, yes, she's very dangerous. She needs to be taken away, sir. We need to put her behind bars. If we don't do that, sir, she's going to hurt somebody. She might kill someone, sir. Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
What?
Thank you, sir.
Why are you thanking me?
Sir, because I am happy.
Why are you happy?
Because you're about to take her away. Because even the Bible says that the affliction shall not rise the second
Shut
time.
up, my friend. Are you stupid? What do you think this is? A joke? Huh?
I'm sorry, Oga.
Now listen and listen to. If you get up from here, if you as much as stand up from here, go there, pack your things and get out of my house. Consider yourself fired. What did I say?
If I get out from here, I should consider myself fired.
Or, okay, if you get up from here, I'm going to kill you. Do you want to die?
No, Oga.
Do you want to die?
No, Oga.
I'm going to kill you if you get up from here. What did I say?
You will kill me if I get out from here.
Fine. Do we have an agreement?
Oga, I am the breadwinner of my family. If I die, my family is gone.
Shut up, you foolish human being. Now, pray to God that Chisom gets better. Nothing bad happens to her. That she recovers fast. Else, I'm going to kill you. Do you understand me?
Yes, Oga.
I'm going to kill you the second time.
Okay, Oga.
Do we have an agreement? Do we have an agreement?
Okay, Oga. Oh God. God save me. Father, remember your promise to me in the Holy Scripture. You said they thought you have...
Mercy!
Okay.
Now, go up and pack your things and leave this house.
Hi. This shall not happen to me. You said it.
The clients are ready. When are we getting the package ready now?
Maybe next week. Because I need to touch down my village to bring in more girls. You know, releasing my girls to you without them training the next set of girls I'll bring will be bad business for me. Yeah.
Let's speak yourself, but you should understand that there's no time. And it's bad business because there's no much time.
In that case, maybe I should prepare one of the girls for you this week. Then by next week, I'll give you the rest of the girls. So what do you think?
Next week, you said?
Yes.
All right, no problem.
Deal.
Well, Mr. Jerry, you have been able to stable her from now, okay? But we'll still run some tests on her, okay? So you just have to calm down.
But I hope she will die. I hope she lives.
Just calm down. She will not die, okay? Like I said earlier, we'll still run some tests on her because of the baby she's carrying.
Please do anything you can, anything humanly possible to make sure she doesn't die. I don't want to lose her.
That's what we're doing, okay? That's what we're doing. You just have to calm down.
Can I see her now?
Of course.
Lost affection, lost affection, lost affection, lost affection. Why did you fade out? Why did you fade out? Was it something I did wrong? Why did you fade out? Is there anything I did wrong? One more. Why did watching out for you, baby. But you are gone. You are gone. You leave me. You leave me without saying goodbye. Without saying goodbye. But
Are you surprised to see me?
Okay.
What? Look at you. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Thank God Chisom refused to press charges on you. She literally had to beg me to call for your release. Look at your life. You have nothing to, absolutely nothing to offer. All you do is squander my money. Huh? Now listen and listen good. Don't ever come close to me again. Don't ever in your entire existence come close to me again. Because you have nothing to offer me. All you do is eat my money, squander my money, and there's nothing else. You have nothing to offer me. Now, okay, wait. The career you talked about is no longer important, right? The career you talked about is no longer important to you, right?
Michael, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know I shouldn't have done that, but
Listen, don't come close to me again. Don't say I didn't warn you.
The month you paid for my service is over. I have to go back to my life. It's been weeks of great reflection and deep lessons.
Stay some more. Life is better here. With you.
No. No, I can't. The drama between yourself and your ex is something I don't have the strength to get myself entangled with.
Chisom, stop now. All of that is sorted out. Okay? It's sorted. It's not going to happen again.
Well, I know you have good intentions towards me. But you have to understand that not grace the run no be by a race. Anyway, are you coming to drop me or not?
You really want to go?
Mm.
Alright, I'll just get my car keys. Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Babe, are you okay?
Oga, your food already. I see your food already. Oga, I no want chop.
I don't feel like it.
Oga, I want spark the truth. Go to my village people dey talk. I say if you want to talk to Elder, you can cover eye, cover your face, talk. You can cover face, talk to you. Oga, I know you miss her. You miss that auntie. I know you love her. Me, I miss her. You no feel complete. You are not completed until you carry her come. Second, no go feel complete with that center. Go and bring your completed. I beg. I don't say you like her. Give them miss her. Talk through.
Are you done? Are you done?
Yes. Okay, listen to my advice. So, you sabi cook. I dey give better advice. Think calm. You miss her. No one talk true. I don't say the miss her.
In the dark of night, I feel your presence near. A whisper promise, a forbidden fear. Your eyes like lanterns in the dark of my soul, luring me deeper into the danger zone.
Stay some more. Life is better here. With you.
Lover, you were a reckless dream, a siren's call.
Madam, I don't got you. It's alright, I'll like you to go meet a client for me today. What's happened the last time to repeat itself? Okay. Oh, don't worry. I come to you after. My grace food to the room. Hey, I sent you the client details. Go outside and say black. Mama, you're not surprised. I'm not talking. Can you proceed? Mama, just ask 9 years. When you go see me, no complete. Just leave my pleasure. Mama, I know they compete with Grace again. Just like Grace footing and Grace is one of the very soon.
Out of control. Maybe I'm a fool for loving you. I'm so blind, but I will follow your heart. Maybe I'm a fool for loving you. Follow your heart into a danger zone. One more.
Hi. Come in.
Are you the one I'm waiting for?
Yes, come in, please.
But my auntie didn't tell me that I was meeting with you.
Hey.
She told me.
Hey, don't waste my time. Come in, let's go. Get in. Please, I have a lot to do today, so you need to hurry up, okay? Wait, can you go down? Go down. Go down and come back in. I want to see something. Go down. Now you turn around, turn around, turn around. Turn around. I said turn around now. I paid for it. Turn around. All right, come in. Come in. Come in. Why are you getting mad? I paid for it.
What happened? How come you came to me with a different name?
So your boss refused to give me access to you. I had to ask my friend to get you for me.
Why are you doing this to me? What do you really want from me?
I want to take you out of that place.
That's not possible. We all took a blood oath with her. If we run away, we'll go mad.
That's not possible. That's not possible. That's probably an illusion, you know, a way to trap you so you can be loyal. Hey, you should stay with me, you know.
Truth is, I want to. But I'm afraid of bringing shame to you in the future. I'm too broken.
Anything broken can be fixed. Stay with me. I feel like you're safe here.
The blood oath. No, I don't want to go mad.
You're not going to go mad. You're safe with me. Like I said, it's just an illusion to get you, you know, thinking that something bad is going to happen.
Oh, you didn't answer my question.
What's your question?
Why me?
You want to know? You truly want to know? Alright, I'll show you this. You remember this picture? Your mother used to work for my parents until your father relocated to the north and asked both of you to join him. I searched for you everywhere. I couldn't find you until that fateful night. How did you end up in that hole?
How did you recognize me?
That night, you kept saying, grace no be race. I mean, I totally remembered you with that. So answer my question, how did you end up in that hole?
My father. He was framed for fraud. The government seized everything. Due to the shock, he had a heart attack and died in the process. We had nothing left. My mom took us back to the village to start life afresh. Then one fateful day, Cynthia came and told my mom that she wants to take me back to the city so I could go back to school.
She did that?
No. All of us at the bar are being sex trafficked. And if you do not agree, you're beaten and starved for days.
The world is so cruel.
How about your parents?
My mother lives in London and speaking about my mother, I think I'm going to call her and tell her that I found a wife.
Oh, you mean you still want to marry me after knowing how broken I am?
Like I said to you before, anything broken can be fixed. Besides, I don't care about your past. Yeah. When I look at you, I remember that little sweet girl I fell in love with. And I don't care what you've done in the past, or as long as you agree to marry me, let's get married.
Your touch like wildfire, it's burning out of control.
Sandra! Sandra! Ay! Ay! Sandra!
I love you with everything that I have. I submitted myself and respected you. Not because of your money, or because you helped me set up a spa, but because I loved you too much. Jerry, I loved you so much. And what did I get in return? Beatings, accusations, cruelty. You see, I pardoned all your brutality. But you don't expect me to leave you being the free man, getting married, having kids. Why I walk out as the barren old witch? I cannot do that.
I'm sorry.
Jerry, I cannot do that.
Baby, I'm sorry.
You see, you were going to die here. And when they find you, take you for autopsy, whatever they want to do, I definitely will not be the suspect. Because the poison cannot be traced.
Please stop it.
Jerry, you are going to die.
Please.
That is your punishment for making me a barren woman. For making me lose my womb.
Sorry. Please.
Good night.
I'm sorry.
Have a good night rest.
No, please. Oh, no, please. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please don't leave me. Baby, don't leave me. Please don't leave me. Oh, God.
What is the meaning of this?
Want to know the meaning? No problem. Mr. Kennedy and Miss Cynthia, you both are under arrest for the offense of child trafficking, murder, and other related criminal offenses. For your own good, I would advise you remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. One more thing, you have right to an attorney, and if you don't have, the state is willing to offer you one. Officer, take them away.
Move.
I said move them.
Move. Just be going. Don't worry.
Move. You can use the